I want to say about Rohingya. Innocent people, we are Rohingya people. Myanmar government and release Afghan army mob. We are Rohingya innocent people, and also they have been living our mothers and sisters, and then they are continuously genocide acts not only 25th August, but only still and every day. We are justice from the world, humanity, UN and ICJ. Finally, I want to say no about Awam Jununi. He is not criminal. He is a great leader for Rohingya innocent people. He is an innocent. We require from the Bangladesh government and public press let Awam Jununi. We let him know. Free Awam Jununi. Free Awam Jununi. Free Awam Jununi.
Thank you so much. Aziz Khan, Aziz Haq Sajid, worldwide akan request je zan maje ara bedune ara khushi inshallah. Ye baade
Zindabad, Zindabad.